Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's an 8 by 8 inch canvas. This is Sherwin-Williams white latex paint in a satin finish. And I'm going to spread it around by spinning. I'm going to also readjust my canvas so that it's better centrally located. I want that in all four corners. So I guess what I'll do is just add a little around the edges, like I usually do with my regular. So I want to do a couple of blooms. I'm still working to find a perfect combination for a friend I owe a favor to. Let's do one more or two more. Alright, so I kept most of my stuff. Now I'm taking a risk with this because I have Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold mixed with conventional Floetrol GAC 800 mixture. I'm going to use Chantilly lace around my blooms, because I love the sparkle. And I'm going to use some, it's the one bottle I didn't check, my golden product, Quinacridone Nickel Gold, expensive and worth every penny. It has so many different colors when it comes out, which is key to this process. So the tweezers are on my Amazon link that I use to clean the tips out of things and to pull the debris out of paint. My Amazon link is on the link tree under Show More. I'm going to use some regular gold, some Prizm Pour Indian Spice. And also some of this, let's make sure it's shaken up, this Deco Art Americana. I've got Fairy Tales, Primary Elements, my favorite being right at the moment Burmese Red. Followed by Magic Slippers. Followed by a little more of that Indian Spice. And some Egyptian Blue. I might be sorry I put that on last. I've also got some Plum Blossom. I think I'm going to use. Plum Blossom is a primary element. And I think I'm going to hit that with a Quinacridone Nickel Gold. I do try and change up which thing I put at what level. And then I expect to remember them and I don't. So I've got some Australian Floetrol mixed with Amsterdam Black. And I think this time I'm going to take a risk and use some Amsterdam White with Australian Floetrol underneath one of these at least. I want more pink. I want jasmine. Why wait? Jasmine is a primary element. Jasmine rocks my world. Jasmine is my all-time favorite, I think. It used to be a Prizm Pour and they changed it back. So there's the white. Let's do these up. It was open a second ago, I swear. I like it when they're a little bit plugged because that means I have more control over what comes out. I'm going to do these exactly the opposite from each other. So that one's white on the bottom, black on the top. And that one's black on the bottom, white on the top. Looks like I need to break up that white a little bit. Or put some more black in there. Maybe that's what I'll do. So I'm not as happy with the white on the top as I am underneath the black. And I'm going to find sticks, and I'm going to wreck them and spin them out. Boy, they're pretty though. They really are. So I seem to be getting away with adding my Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold, which is cool because I really have been sort of sitting on it and not using it for a long time. I'm going to add a couple spirals this time because I wasn't doing it for a while, but I like them, so I see no reason not to. The ones at the corners and the edges will probably not stay. I am going to take the paint that came off, put it right back in. I don't think it'll stay. Then I've got a couple things to move out of my way. I'm going to be off and running as long as I haven't hidden my barrier on myself. It's a small canvas. Maybe I'll take a chance and not move all my bottles out of the way. I am going to wipe off those tweezers before that Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold settles on them. I think this is the painting I'm going to send my friend. It seems like it to me. All the paint's moved over nicely. I do have a sort of a rift down the middle, but I could probably just be creative. Steal the paint that's come off the canvas. Cover that mistake I just made. Spin out one more time. I don't mind changing up the procedure. Although that one was not necessarily all that great. If the colors had stayed stronger up there, it would have been better, but I think they're going to fly away anyway. That is really pretty. I've got one thing I want to change. Or a couple. Why don't we leave those right up there so I don't think about whether it's a mistake or not. The spiral in the middle never hurt anything. Wipe off my spatula on my rag and throw it in the bucket so the paint doesn't dry on it. I believe that my friend will like this as much as I do. Good colors, great shapes. And I'm going to call it good, and I'm going to shimmer this at you in a minute. So if you feel like giving me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It helps my standing on YouTube, along with your comments that keep my morale boosted, but they help with my standing on YouTube. So that's exactly what I wanted. That's a great way to start the day. This is my first painting of the day. I'm so happy you could join me. I have 29 lists of 100 videos, which I have also organized by topic and genre. So if you're interested in seeing more of a certain genre, mention it in the comments and I'll be happy to include a playlist for you. Please give me, when you share my videos, you help me out. So please give me a thumbs up. I'll ask again. My paint pouring recipes below show more. There is a 20% off Colourarte coupon code. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it's below show more, along with my link tree. And a Pixel Paint Designs coupon code for 10% off. Colourarte coupon code is 20% off. Pixel Paint Designs coupon code will get you Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, Pibio paints, and everything else they sell. As Colourarte will be Prizm Pours and Primary Elements and all kinds of other great stuff. Did I zoom in far enough? Because this is just so worth seeing close up. I like changing up the colors so that they're different on both sides, so that there's a contrasting element there. Let's zoom right down in there. So thank you guys for the donations through PayPal that keep me painting and bringing tutorials to everyone. And thank you for those of you, thank you very much for joining the membership. I hope you're enjoying the 110 plus videos that I have there for members only. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. If you'd like to inquire about lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, I do private one-on-one lessons. And I do sell my artwork. And on the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, Legallerist. Under the video, the clothing you see is from spring. But you can have my artwork transferred to any of those places that sell merchandise, onto any of them. If you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask me and I can add it. My community board is going to show you tomorrow's video at 10:15, at least currently. And comments are welcome on the community board also. Questions are always welcome and encouraged. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. And they're still current and viable. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio saying, I'm so happy you were here. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much.